I decided to transition to electric to do what I could personally for climate change.
Because it is better for the planet.
Came from a moral obligation sort of thing that I felt. One of the first things we did was convert to an electric vehicle.
The cost savings with the EV, we've saved just under 4 years, saved about $13,000 now. It's nice not to have to go into a service station and pump gas.
It's been really good having induction. It's really quick to cook now. The stove heats up quickly, everything gets cooked evenly. I know people are wary of getting an induction because they're like, oh, we're not going to get the rotis that we like to eat. But I haven't found it hard, to be perfectly honest.
So there's a really strong evidence now that gas stoves in home are associated with increased respiratory problems, particularly asthma in kids.
I've got a young child now, and there's a lot of peer-reviewed studies that are coming out saying there's a lot of negative health consequences of having gas appliances in your home.
If you're not sure about cooking, then try getting a portable induction cooker. They're really cheap, they're about $60.
We love that it's easy to clean. It's fabulous. Like, you literally just spray and wipe, and it even gets rid of all the finger marks. It's fantastic.
We've got a small kettle. It boils so much quicker using the induction than it ever did on the highest gas setting. I couldn't believe it.
When we first moved here, we were always wanting to move to solar. But then when our bills started coming, conventional energy bills, they were huge. And we were like, this is a lot of money. And that made the case for solar energy even stronger. So it was more than, I think, 1/3 or half of our electricity bill drop every quarter.
So we've put solar on the roof and we've put on a solar hot water system.
And then we got a heat pump for hot water. So in the house, we don't have any gas usage, and we use one reverse cycle air conditioner in the house, and all the fans we had installed are DC, which are direct current, and they are much more energy efficient.
We no longer have to pay the gas supply charge. So that was, from memory, $1 a day extra that we've just cut out.
Obviously the outlay can be significant, but the operational cost and ongoing health benefits you get from converting your house to electric are just unparalleled. There's a lot of good resources out there. Say there's yourhome.gov.au, there's Saul Griffith does a lot on Electrify Australia, there's Rewire Australia as well.
So I would say it makes sense economically, it makes sense from an aesthetic viewpoint, it makes sense from a feeling good viewpoint. So it ticks all the boxes.